Hi family, I hope you're good. We're back on the road, and yeah, today I've changed my route. I'm just trying to use a different route and see the mileage in there as well. And today is day 9. I'm excited. Hooray! So yeah, like I spoke about, for safety reasons and for your own, to reduce boredom as well, it's always good to use change your route once in a while. Yes, that also saves you and also gives you more mileage as well. So I'm using a different route today, and yeah, I'll give you a nice view of it later. So I'm walking around the hospital area right now, and yeah, I'm just going to keep up. Yesterday I think I did good. I did 4 kilometers in 4 minutes, 49 minutes. So that was close, because the average is 10 minutes per kilometer. So today I just hope I do better. The only thing is, when I'm talking, I have to walk a little bit slow, else you won't really hear much. So yeah, I may not be doing so much talk on the road, but I'll see you and I'll keep you updated. This is my route today. Because I'm on the hill, you can see a lot of lights. Yeah, there's somewhere around the old side, the school bus road. So yeah. Yeah. To the left, to the right. I'm just going to keep up going. For those who has been a long time they passed there, this is the school bus road I'm on. So the famous Advanced Hostel, the famous Muffin Hostel, Baller sides. Then yeah, we're going to the main school bus. Top there goes to Crazy Park. Then ta-da! So yeah, on the school bus road. Ta-da! I'm at science now. Let me pick a good route. And yeah, I'm going to join in my normal. So I'm going to join in my normal. I'm going to join my normal return route. Then I'll be going down that way. Then ta-da! We'll see how far I've gotten to. I'm walking back. Yeah, today I'm wearing a bit of tight clothes because I'm getting back to my shape. Yeah, so today is tight clothes. We're back to the road. So yeah, I'm walking back to my room, and I'll let you know the mileage I did. You see, I'm sweating because I've increased the pace a bit. So the first week, be gentle on yourself. Second week, challenge yourself. Then the next following week, challenge more. So yeah, I'll see you guys very soon. So today I think I want to talk about soles or shoes. I think when you're walking, it's always good to get something you're very comfortable in, because when your feet are hurting, trust me, you won't want to walk that much. And yeah, you can just decide to wear a socks, so it's optional. But I think wearing a socks kind of reduces the friction in there. So you just need some cool walking shoes. Don't forget, we have shoes for running, shoes for walking. So you need to know what works for you. But sometimes you can walk in your runners, but choose what is comfortable for you and what you feel good inside. Comfort always matters when you're talking about your shoes in there. So yeah, that's my take for today. Find comfortable soles and then go with as well. I love these ones. They are very comfortable to walk in. Yeah, so that's about it. Wearing a socks is optional, but I would recommend it, so it reduces the friction in there as well. So yeah, I'm walking back to my end. Yeah, today I didn't set up too early. I left at 5:30, so it's already 6. It just turned 6 o'clock and everywhere is bright light. So I'm just going to walk back to my room. A little mountain hike challenge, increasing my mileage. This isn't part of my normal route, but I want to get to 5 kilometers. So yeah, still at it. And yeah, little town of Ola. Yeah. Let me wrap up, then adjust you. Very hungry right now. I'm just going to start my day with some kose. This I fried Sunday and I kept in the fridge. So yes, those 3 pieces of my cute kose, which is not even so big. So yeah, I'm gonna start my day with. Brunch time. Is that what, 11:15? So yeah.